Greetings everyone, this is Sydney Trains New South Wales Train Channel speaking to you here at Clyde, as requested by the awesome one 10-10-10. On platform number 1 here, we've got K81 bound for Carlingford in about an hour's time. So this car here is C3521. Just off the track there, I don't know if you can see it, but we've got a Waratah stabled at Auburn Maintenance Centre. And yeah, so just got the headlights sticking there. So yeah, so this is the platform layout. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wait, in case it is just there. I don't know if you can see it, but just up there, just up the track there is Granville, and that way is just facing towards the city. Change to Clyde for Carlingford line, which this case here. See the destination here. There. Set is K81. Apologies for the sun glare, people. I'm not sure what the next train on platform 2 is, because that's my train. So yeah, that's platform number 5 over there, where trains towards stop. And then yeah, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. The awesome one 10-10. Sorry. The awesome one 10-10-10. Apologies if this was quite a short tour. Not really trains passing. Pretty much all I've got to do is just take you around the station, really. And look at the case there. But I wonder if you can see this. There's the guard thing there. Sorry. Just there's the guard cam anyway. We've got a Waratah. Here we've got a Waratah arriving on platform number 2. Central service. And here we've got a Waratah parked. The Waratah is A18. Guys, I'll wrap this tour up here. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Let's get to the tour. Bye for now.